Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer a TikTok account to another account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the TikTok app and log into the account you want to transfer. After that, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and you will be sent to your profile page. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access your settings. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and look for the Switch Account options. Tap on it, and you will see a list of your linked accounts. If you don't see the account you want to transfer to, tap Add Account and log into New Account. Once you're on the new account, you can copy any necessary content or information from the old account. That's it. You've successfully transferred your TikTok account to another account. So that's basically how you can transfer a TikTok account to another account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.